What's up, my Pacific Northwest ninjas? Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're new, I'm Steve, Pacific Northwest hiker. We're gonna take you to see waterfalls, scenic vistas, mountains, lakes, rivers, and other beautiful parts of the Pacific Northwest. So subscribe to the channel and continue to adventure with me. So today's adventure brings me to southern Washington inside the Gifford-Pinchot National Forest, where I'm gonna be heading up Bunker Hill. Now, it's a short trail, just about 3.5 miles total out and back, but there is some serious elevation gain. So this trail starts right on the Pacific Crest Trail. We're going to take the PCT for about half a mile, and then that is where the trail will fork, where you can continue on the PCT or head up Bunker Hill. Now, right at that point, we're going to have over 1,000 feet of elevation gain in just about a mile. So it's definitely going to be a workout, but it will all be worth it because the views we're going to have are going to be absolutely insane. Now, I've done this trail before about a year and a half ago, but at that time I didn't have a drone. So I just knew I had to come back to get some awesome footage. Now, it is a really hot day out today. So one of the reasons I chose this trail is because most of it is through forest. So hopefully the shade should help keep me cool a little bit, but we have clear blue skies today, just perfect weather for my drone. So I'm really excited about this one. All right, guys, if you're ready to see the Pacific Northwest, let's get going. All right, guys, so I've reached the fork in the trail where you can either continue on the Pacific Crest Trail or head up Bunker Hill. So that's it for the Pacific Crest Trail. Let's head up Bunker Hill. Whew, I gotta tell you, it is really hot today. I'm just dripping sweat. Taking a little break right now, and we're only about halfway to the viewpoint, so that's good. And it's also good that most of this trail is in the forest, in the shade. But even with the shade, it is really hot, and I'm still sweating. I'm sweating pretty bad, so just gonna chill out here, relax, have a snack, and then finish out the last half mile to the viewpoint. almost there, guys. We are almost there. Whew. Short hike, but definitely a beast. I made it to the viewpoint, and I am not at the top of Bunker Hill. I'm actually 0.1 mile from the top, and that's because when you make it to the top, there really isn't any view up there. There's just too many trees, too much brush. But a little bit right before the top, about 0.1 mile, there is an outcropping that we can check out, and it'll give a nice expansive view overlooking the Gifford-Pinchot National Forest. So yeah, let's break out the drone and see what kind of views we can get. So we had some fantastic views of the top of Mount Adams, the top of Mount Hood, and I believe we also had a view of the top of Mount St. Helens as well. What a beautiful forest. The Gifford-Pinchot National Forest in southern Washington. Really spectacular. Even though it was really hot today, this trail was mostly in the forest, so that helped to cool things down a bit. Share this video if you know anyone else who wants to check out the beautiful Pacific Northwest. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to hit 2 million subs, so appreciate any support. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts on Bunker Hill and the drone footage. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll catch you on my next adventure. Take care.